What's up, guys? Welcome back to OnChain Revolution. On this episode, we're going to be going through the token staking from the guys over at Tokeo Wallet. So Tokeo Wallet, if you guys don't know, is an amazing Bitcoin wallet. But it's not just a Bitcoin wallet, right? It's multi-chain. And one of the chains that they cover is Cardano. And they have a token over there called the Toke token. And they are nice enough to give you guys some APR if you're interested in staking that token. So we're going to be walking you through exactly how to do that on this episode.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting, guys. They are offering ways to earn off of that token, and it just opened up. And so what we're going to do is just be really straightforward with you guys because it's simple and easy, and give you guys a walkthrough on how to stake in their smart wallet.
Yep. So first you want to do, you're going to have to do it two ways, right? Either from your phone, which download the app there, or I like to download the thing called BlueStacks app player. And on this, I'm able to actually download the BlueStacks app player and download apps. So what I do is just go to BlueStacks app, download that, and you can come over here. You can go to the Play Store and then go in there, type Tokyo, and then easy enough. As you can see, I have a couple apps already, but for this one, we're going to go Tokyo. And it's going to pop up. So once you get to the wallet, you're going to have to put your, either put your words in or start a new wallet and send some Cardano there. So you will need some Cardano. And then if you want to get, let's just say you just sent Cardano over here, you want to get some Toke, easy enough. They have a swapping option right there. You'll come in here, you'll go to the top there, you'll type in Toke, and you'll see the Toke token right at the top there. You'll click that. And then you can swap your Cardano rate for Toke, 10%, 25%, 100%, or whatever you want. Or if you want to just get your own number, you can go in there and put your own number. Super simple, super easy over there. But we're actually going to go back here, and we're going to go back to the front. And so the first thing you want to do from this screen is go to the bottom and click the ribbon. After you click the ribbon, you'll see staking, Stoke, Quest, unlocks. You're going to want to go to Stoke. So you have your Toke right here that you just bought, and you potentially have the flex staking. You click the flex staking, and what you want to do is click how much you want to do. For me, I'm going to do 50% because that'll be 7,500 divided by 2, which is 3,750. And I'm going to stake it. I'm going to hit the stake button there. I'm going to confirm it, and it's going to confirming deposit. Boom, done. Super easy, super simple. Cardano is a lot faster than Bitcoin, so that is awesome. And then I'm going to hit done. Yeah. And that's really how you get started.
Yeah, exactly. And the flex staking is a variable APR, so it really depends on kind of the participation and that day, and they'll calculate it based on that, right? So it is flexible, meaning that like you have more access to it. You don't have to commit to a certain time and all that stuff, right? And then the prime staking, which you see at the very top, is actually maxed out right now. We got verification from the team. So that 15% APR, I'm sure that they will open it up maybe in the future. But as of right now, it like flooded in there, guys. So that's no longer available. But again, just keep your eyes open and make sure you're following their X account in case they do open that back up, and they'll give you that, straight 15% that you get. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward, just like she showed you guys.
Yep. So if you guys are interested in that, take advantage of it. Like I said, there is a cap to this as well, guys. So you don't want to wait much longer. But I'm getting 5.14 APR. I'll take it, right? Because I'm holding this long term anyway. So why not hold on to get some staking rewards from there? So, and if you did want to potentially get out of that, you guys can withdraw that at any point as well. So it's not like it's locked in there at all. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, I highly recommend checking this out. And like I said, you can use it from your PC. You will need a BlueStacks app player and then download the app. But guys, I think that's our tutorial for you guys today. I hope this helped, and check out our partners.
Yeah, exactly, guys. Appreciate you guys for checking us out. And if you wouldn't mind checking out our partners, greatly appreciate it. Sats Terminal, DEX aggregator for the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. Head over to satsterminal.com. You can trade for runes or alkanes there. You can earn Amber points, which is going to be a give back to early adopters from the Sats Terminal team. And then also you have Emblem Vault, which is a interoperability. You're going to be able to jump your ordinals over from Bitcoin to other ecosystems like Ethereum. You can do your Taproot Wizards right now to Ethereum and take a loan out against it on Gandhi, as well as utilize their AI tool. Emblem Vault has an AI tool called Agent Hustle, AI agent Hustle. Hustle basically can guide you through the jungles of Solana, give you some tips on some tokens that you might ask them, hey, give me some quick 2 to 5x's, right? Also, they have a TGE as well that's going to be coming out in September, October, called the Emblem Founder Vault. You can search it for a pre-sale right now on OpenSea, and then you can purchase that NFT and you will get a Bitcoin wallet unlocked for you whenever TGE happens. Check out emblem.vision to learn more today. And then also you got Fluid Tokens. Fluid Tokens is the UTXO wizard depths, right, of the Bitcoin ecosystem. And Cardano, by the way, they build on both. On the Cardano side, you can participate in the Aquarium platform. You can add liquidity and earn Babel fees that way. On the Bitcoin side, you can participate in their staking vaults. Dog Go to the Moon Season 3 is coming up at the end of this month, beginning of August. You can stake Dog to earn Alkanes. You can stake Alkanes to earn Dog. Stay tuned as they're going to put more information out for that staking vault. Also, they have an airdrop tool that's really, really cool on the Bitcoin side. You can airdrop runes or Alkanes. So make sure you go to fluidtokens.com and check that out for sure. And then Ordinal Hive is the Ordinal aggregator marketplace for the Bitcoin ecosystem. You're going to find the cheapest Ordinals around at Ordinal Hive, and they have amazing trader tools as well, like live mempool insights. And then Merlin Chain. Make sure you check out Merlin Chain. You can earn as well as they have proof of stake there at merlinchain.io. If you click on the staking option, you can stake Bitcoin, earn 8 to 21% APR. You can stake a Merlin token to earn on the flexible side. You can earn 15% APR. It's a day-to-day. You can withdraw any day, but it does take 7 days for the processing to withdraw. On the bonded side, you are locked in 6 months, but you earn 45% APR there. So head over to merlinchain.io to learn more there as well. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out our partners.
Yep. If you want minutes, wouldn't mind checking out OnChain Revolution.io. Some of the best articles you'll see in the space, guys. I really truly believe that can help you get caught up to where exactly we are today. If you guys need a VPN, we got NordVPN. 75% off coupon, guys. Do not pay the $10 a month. You can use our link, get it for $3.39. And on top of that, we have some of the best merch in all of crypto. Check out our merch store, everything at OnChain Revolution. Remember, we're live Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Pacific, and 3 p.m. UTC. Check us out all week, guys. Until tomorrow.
Peace.